As you can clearly view, guys, the skies here and here. What everything is here, and the dustbin, the car who carries the garbages has come, and that's the song of those. And you can see the sky is gonna to be rainy a lot, and most expectedly, that's been expected. So we have to see everything, and I think so that we will go school tomorrow, because if the rain is not occurring tomorrow, so then it's very very good. It's not occurring, so we will go to school. If the rain will, if the rain is not there, I'm just uttering while speaking. So, ow, man. Okay. So, anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye, bye. Take care and peace. Goodbye.